Let's talk about SideFans. It is a Telegram mini app that promises to pay users up to $1,000. This video is coming as a special request from the community and might be the last Telegram mini app video I make, so that we can move to other part of crypto that are much more profitable. We are, however, already doing this in our community on Telegram by giving tutorials 3 times a week on how to make money in crypto. Last week we brought in the CEO of Windsor and they gave us some very good insight into their projects. I'll leave the link to the community in the description of this video. Now, SideFans is a product of a much bigger project called Sidekick. Sidekick is a platform that allows users to earn from its unique services, and there are 3 of them. So one is match and play, then we have skill monetization, and the last one is traffic monetization. For match and play, we have users. Users play, chat, and learn with pro players, talented creators, or companions with similar interests. They are called users. Skill monetization allows creators and pro players to earn from their skill when they create a profile on the platform. They are called kickers. Traffic monetization enables owners of Telegram group and Discord servers to earn money when they integrate with Sidekick bots. These are called affiliates. For now, Sidekick bot works on Discord, Telegram, and Twitter. So if you go to the app right now, you will see that season 1, you see season 1, it says 0. This is because I did not take part in season 1, which also means that season 1 has ended. It ended in August. Season 1 basically involves users tapping on the picture of kickers to earn diamonds. Season 2 is more like how other Telegram mini app works. So this is what you see when you get in. I'm going to click on connect wallet to connect my wallet. Then you basically take part in all these stacks. So I have reward at the menu. I have passes, pass, invite, and leaderboard. You guys already know what this means. Going back to reward, I can then go ahead and take part in tags. So the tags are similar to what we see with other Telegram mini apps. You can see that I've already done one of the tags, which is connecting wallets. I can do a follow on YouTube to get that point. The same thing with Telegram subscription to get that point. Then Discord, CoinMarketCap, X, and basically all these other ones to just get points from here. So I'll go ahead and do that maybe after this video. So this is for tasks. Then if you come to pass, again, what you want to do here is just to basically just earn points. So if you come to pass at the bottom menu, you can earn very great points, but it says here pass owner exclusive. To get that, I'm going to click on buy now, this battle pass, and I'll have to spend 0.02 TON, which is approximately $0.1. If you have some money in your app, you can do it, or you leave it. It's not really compulsory. It takes 1 to 2 minutes to finish payment on TON. Please check your status later. So just wait for about that. Okay, so once this is done, you can then go ahead and earn this point by doing the daily check-in. You can earn a maximum of 97,000 diamond, but today I earned 500. Then play coin captain. So you can earn all these things by simply getting the VIP pass. Then invite friends to earn more points, and you can always check to see if you're on the leaderboard. I'm currently at 40,000 diamonds, and the number 1 is 124 million diamond. So again, to make it really simple, let's go over it again. In the rewards section, you have to connect your wallets, then take part in tax. You can earn up to 100,000 diamond by inviting friends, and up to 30,000 by taking part in tax. You can go back to click on tax to take part in tax, or pay 0.02 TON to get the VIP pass. So this is basically what you do with the app. Now there are other regular events where users complete specific tasks to win cash prizes up to $1,000, but this happens only on Discord. Also on Discord, game nights and quizzes are organized regularly for users to play and earn XPs. This means that to get the full benefit of SideFans, you also have to be a member of their Discord channel. Sidekick was named a Rising Star in the BNB Chain 4th Anniversary Ecosystem Catalyst Award in September of 2024. As of now, there has not been any information on the listing dates. SideFans partners include Binance Lab, Stage, MT Capital, DeskCheck, and a host of others. So guys, you requested for the video. This is it. I hope it was informative enough. And for this channel, make sure you are subscribed, because I'll be sharing a lot of information in the coming week that will be useful for you to make the most out of this bull season.